Good morning, good morning, good morning, my loves. What is up? So I finally decided to put the camera back in front of my face to actually record, and I am going to post this video regardless. So I'm not gonna do any fancy intro or anything. I did make a dedication to myself to do 30 days of grateful for November. So that is what I am doing, regardless if I've been recording or not. I've already been practicing gratitude. Um, and I love it, because sometimes we can get so deep off into, other things and other thoughts and stuff like that. But there's definitely always something to be grateful for. So yesterday was November 1st. So for November 1st, I posted my gratitude for November 1st, with it being the beginning of the month. I was grateful for it being a new month, grateful for new beginnings, new blessings, new opportunities, fresh starts. Every day we wake up, we have a fresh start. I am welcoming in prosperity and abundance and all good things with an open heart and a positive mind. So that was my gratitude for day one. Today is actually day two. It is November 2nd. I'm out here at the park and I am thankful, grateful, and blessed for nature. My body literally craves nature a lot, you guys. So that's why I do the trails and the parks and the walks and everything. And I actually got my hiking boots, so I will be going up some of these mountains very soon. Don't know how I'm going to record that if I do. But today I'm grateful for nature and its purity and everything that it brings for just life. So, yeah. Well, it's finally cooled off here in Vegas too. So, whew, let's talk about grateful. I was so over that heat. Um, Today I'm going to be walking the park. Before I get started, I'm going to take my ginger shot. Yes, I do still take my wellness shots. Got my water on deck. And I love these little pouches because I can carry my phone, my beats. I got some new beats, y'all. They got me some new beats. So I have two. I'm going to show y'all real quick. So I got some new beats. I love the beats. And these ones, I like a little bit better than the other ones for some reason. They're a little bit different. But yeah. Anyway, enough of all of that. Let's get on our journey. I'm kind of starting over, so I might just do 4 laps again. And get this open. Hold on. See this man over here carrying his dog, which scares me because the last time I was at this particular park, it was coyotes out. So I'm like, what happened? Anyway, let's get it, y'all. Made it. So after my 4th lap, I decided to do a super small hike, y'all. Super small.